Alright. Special edition of Null Talks trivia. Which one of the following did not become a U.S. state after 1900? A. Wyoming. B. Arizona. C. Oklahoma. D. New Mexico.
We have all of those.
Which didn't become a state after 1900. So it became a state before 1900.
Oh. Let me get them again.
Wyoming, Arizona, Oklahoma, New Mexico.
I gotta give it to New Mexico.
Well, that would be right if New Mexico was not made in 1912.
Shit, dude.
Classic, as usual, wrong. Another...
Wait, no, what was the right answer?
Wyoming.
What was it?
Wyoming,
Wyoming.
yeah.
Alright, this has been Null Talks, everyone.
Null Talks-isity.
Where is Wyoming, actually?
Wyoming is over by the Dakotas. It's by Montana.
It's
It's like a flyover.
Yeah,
Okay. That explains
Wyoming is
it.
the smallest population
Yeah,
state.
it's like 600,000 people.
Yeah, that's Jesus Christ.
And
Yeah, that's the size of
Where the
city.
KKK
It's the size of nothing.
Around there?
I think they started in the south.
Okay.
Wyoming's north. All right.
Hit trivia me.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna give you. You can choose. Pick your poison. Brain teaser, odd one out, sequence, or wild card.
Give me the wild card, dude. Those are more fun.
All right. To quote, Henry David Thoreau once said, "That man is richest whose blank are the cheapest. Worries, obligations, or pleasures."
He's richest, whose
This one's
obligations.
easy.
I think so.
Give me the.
All right. So, is it the man the man is richest whose A, worries, B, obligations, or C, pleasures are the
I'm
cheapest?
going for this.
You would be correct.
Sounds like you do worries.
Well, no. It's pleasures.
Pleasures, man.
You know,
Thoreau.
if I was that guy, that's what my quote would have been.
Transcendentalist, man. He lived in a log cabin for like a few months.
Yeah, dude, he's an incidentalist.
It's-
Stuff happened in his life.
You can't be rich and cheap. That's ridiculous.
Well, basically, so like, no, he's who's the richest. His pleasures are the cheapest. So like,
He was just
if
like,
your hobbies don't cost you a lot of money, you can keep
But-
your money.
But imagine some really good fucking chocolate milk. It's really rich and
It's not
very
cheaper.
expensive.
Yeah, I don't think
So-
Thoreau was exactly an economist.
No.
Oh, we almost had a video featuring Crack.
Yeah.
He stayed out of line of sight.
All right, give me one more.
All right.
I'm
Final
gonna get
question:
this one.
brain teaser, odd one out, sequence, or wild
I
card?
want to get the wild cards because they're all different.
All right, for sure. 2 out of 3. What do these initials stand for? Get any 2 of them right. REM, RPM, UHF. That's an easy one. Jesus Christ.
Well, there's rapid eye movement,
Uh-huh.
and what are the other two?
RPM and UHF.
Rotations per minute. Hold on, let me see if I can get the other one.
I don't think you will.
Ultimate hand fight.
Similar. Ultra high frequency.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
All right.
Shit, dude.
This has
I'm a
been
trivia god.
Win $1 million.
This has been
man.
Null Quest.
One
Null
out of
answers
3.
questions.
1 out of 3. That's 33%. That's
That's a
bigger
failing
than the
grade.
Chinese population in Humboldt.
That's correct. Another extra bonus point. Thanks.